My name is Courtney Lewis and I'm a humanities teacher here at Lewis Girls School. I didn't always know that I wanted to work in education. I came from a family that was quite pushy and had sort of a road set out for me. They wanted me to become a solicitor and have a law degree, but it turned out it wasn't quite for me. I always knew I wanted to work with people, and teaching was the career for me, and I absolutely love it now. Features of the Professional Learning Passport I found particularly useful was what I like to call the countdown feature, and that is where it has each strand laid out. Progression in learning was one that I really wanted to focus on, so I was able to tailor my CPD sessions to focus on that professional standard, and then that informed my practice, and I was able to implement self-testing in GCSE classes, which overall improved revision and outcomes for the students. I intend to continue using the Professional Learning Passport as a highly sustained and effective practitioner. You may think that your practice as a teacher is beneficial, but unless you're truly reflecting on it, how can you be sure? And I think there would be a sense of hypocrisy if we're expecting our learners to reflect and self-assess and we're not doing the same thing as well. So it's good practice, it's modelling excellent behaviour, and it's really going to be a log of your development within your career. Put as much effort into it as you can and do this consistently. Following the Professional Learning Passport is going to help me reflect on my own abilities and collaborate with others to make sure I'm doing things correctly.